नमस्ते मेरो नाम राजन गुरुङ म चाहिँ Skypark restaurant one of the popular restaurant in Lalitpur ko operation head ho. I have like 24 years experience in Dubai working with the 5-star hotels and a lot of experience. That's why I'm involved in this restaurant. Now at the moment we have come to an understanding, a moments of understanding with Quest College, which some of my employees also were from Quest College. So we had a small agreement of understanding that this is going to be a good platform for Quest College students, because my motive is also, that's why I came back from Dubai working so many years, that I want to teach whatever I learned, and I want to share my experience to the Nepali bhai bahinihरुलाई. So that's why it's going to be a very good platform over here, since sometimes we have functions. So we're going to request Quest College to provide us staffs for the requirements, and also fulfilling if they are qualified enough for fulfilling our requirements. So I hope this is going to be a very good opportunity for both of us, for Skypark and for Quest College as well. So thank you very much. Namaste.